All right, guys, it's finally here. Throw this gas can down in there. May not even use this boat. I don't know what I'm really going to get into, but I'm prepared for Mississippi. I've got my bike right here. It's an e-bike. You can't use e-bikes where I'm going, but I can take the battery off and use it as a regular bike. And then I've got my buddy Tyler, who I'm meeting down there, a resident, going to help me out a little bit. Really appreciate that. I bought him a bike here locally. Going to take that to him. Got the Mercury 2.5, and of course the water feather loaded up in the back of the Tacoma, strapped down, and as every white person ever said, that's not going nowhere. All right. Oh. Let's get this turkey season underway.
All these, but go out there for the
Welcome to Mississippi.
future, you know, and I'm like, because I love looking at those contour lines and figuring out where I need to get and stuff before they.
Jesus Christ, these things are like dogs down here. Get out of the way. What about you? What are you? You got a rack? No. Got to pull a Chris bracket. That's what I want to see right there. You probably better cook than my wife. You probably better cook than my wife. All right, guys. In the tent. Colby's left the bathhouse. Taking out his contacts. 27 degrees by morning. When you can see your breath in your tent at 10 o'clock at night, it's going to be a long night. See you in the morning. Well, I'm not sure if you guys can really see me much. It's day number 1 here in Mississippi. Colby got down yesterday. Didn't have a ton of luck looking around. More along the lines just scouted more of people than turkeys and tried to get an idea of where people have been as far as pull-offs and foot traffic. You really can't see me if I'm holding the camera out the window. It was a cold night to sleep in a damn tent. That's all I have to say. It's 27 degrees this morning. It is calm and it is clear. And I know back home, if we got something like this, they would be fired up later on in the season. But who knows what it's going to do to these Mississippi turkeys. So we're going to meet our buddy Mr. Tyler up here at a place I've picked and see what happens. This is either going to be Tyler or somebody's going to be pissed. There he is. It's cold. Ain't heard the first gobble this morning, but we are looking. Working around.
But I'll show you where I screwed up. There's his fan right there. This is where I screwed up. so watch me move my camera. Okay, look right here. You walk.
Alright, go figure, it's almost dark. Finally got a turkey to gobble. Jesus, it's a miracle. I gotta record it. You know what? I heard a turkey gobble in Mississippi. He's right down here on the water. There it is, you had it. There's a turkey in Mississippi. I found him. There's 2 of them. Alright, know where I'll be in the morning.
Just, yeah.
Little pro tip for everybody out there: if you let your buddy beat you back to camp, he will start the fire and cook dinner before you even get back.
Well, anyways, so this is where I got set up tonight.
Show me.
Nope.
Well, guys, it is 5 o'clock. I made it to the gate. Nobody here. It's pretty wild. The difference in hunting Mississippi on just a regular early access pass for public land and actually drawing a WMA. It took me 3 years to draw this place. I'm not really sure why it took that long. I'm sure there's a lot more turkeys here than I heard yesterday morning. So yesterday, just summarized, and forgive me, just skip through this part or something, but 26 degrees, super cold, never located a bird Monday night, so Tuesday morning was just a shot in the dark. Now, Tyler knew where some birds were, but, things changed so much down here. Between 1.5 inches of rain they got and a 50-degree temperature drop from last week to the morning of my hunt yesterday. It really screwed them up. Didn't hear hardly any birds yesterday. I hunted with Tyler up till 1 o'clock. Hunted a burn with Colby for a little while, and then we split ways. He went after the turkey that he's on. Actually got on him again yesterday afternoon, and I went to a new area, found scratching, yelped up a hen, then swung around over to where I'm at now, took the bike in there, and got a gobbler to finally answer me almost in the dark. So I'm pretty excited about that. I have a feeling he's the only turkey that decided to gobble last night. There's probably quite a few more out here. So I'm going to put a little air in my back tire, and I'm going to I guess I'm going to tread it back there nice and slow, quietly. You're allowed to use bikes here. You just can't use your electric portion of your bike. So anyways, let's get in here. I'm going to try to get as close to this bird on the roost as I can. Hopefully my pin is pretty close on Spartan Forge. All right, guys. That's sand. And I know you guys can't see jack crap, but I have looped over a mile total from the truck down to this lake just because I'm so spooked that if I walk down the ridge to him, I'm going to spook him. So I'm hoping I can make it around the edge of this lake with my red light, not get too wet, and I'll be able to get within 100 yards of him just by this, and then I can take it nice and slow. I would have really liked to have used my boat this morning, but I forgot too much stuff at the house. This turkey has been gobbling for 20 minutes. He's a little bit off from where I thought he was, unfortunately. That turkey flew down so early. It might be coming. I mean, he flew down early. My pin was off by about 150 yards. They're right in front of these trees to me. Probably isn't going to make any difference. Essentially, I want to let these turkeys ease off, and I'm going to go right to where they roosted. And hopefully one of them two will come up to me. I'm very surprised that I did not hear more turkeys. Very surprised I didn't hear more turkeys gobble this morning. It's early. It sounds like I'm the only person in here right now. We'll just see what happens this morning. Definitely should have heard more birds. That sounded a little closer. Man, I really thought this bird was right off this point last night. It was actually straight across this valley. It's like it drops down and it just barely flattens back out. That's why I've been so hesitant to go over there, but it's pretty obvious. They've shut up now. They've got 3 or 4 hens with them. I wish I was hearing another one somewhere, and surely there is. This is a really big place to hunt. I wish they'd sound off one more time, because I'd like to get down there and at least see if there's some sort of terrain that I can use to get around. There's a hardwood drainage on the other side of this. And I told myself that's where I should go. Regardless of where these turkeys are roosted, they're probably going to go to that hardwood drainage. And I didn't trust my gut. 24 years of doing this. And I still second guess myself in every move I make.
making fun of my GoPro. Alright, me and Colby are heading in somewhere we know there's a bird. He is full with this turkey for days. He's full with this bird for days. Hopefully we can find him tonight. Hopefully he's on the public side. We can yelp him up. But we are running out of time. We're gonna hunt tonight. I may end up leaving Colby and walking back to the truck and grabbing my bike and going down the road. Just to try to roost a bird for tomorrow morning. So we got tonight, tomorrow morning, but the weather's looking good, so at least it won't be 26 days. Let's wait till we get on the other side to call at him. Okay. You just want to dip down through this bottom. Yeah. I'd love if he'd gobble. Just try not to pop sticks, obviously, and scratch as you go. This ain't good. Maybe I might have boogered him this morning. You told me that now? Well, no, there's always a chance. But when I snuck around, Jacob, I got on the lake edge and made sure there was at least a couple 100 yards. Unless that second time of sneaking up, he was just closer, but I just think he was done. You're a piece of crap. At first I was like, what? I didn't realize it was going to be Miriam's goblin. Stupid. Got a Miriam's in Mississippi. It's a little weird. I see him. Don't move. He's going to come up on this chicken. Sorry, just you let him get behind the hill. Is there more than one? No. Go get him. You just got a freaking Mississippi love here, dude. Go get him. You got him, dude.
Did you see him on camera or anything?
Don't worry. Jacob Emery got it on camera.
You got him on camera?
No, I mean, I wasn't zoomed in, but...
No, you're good, bro.
Bro, you worked your tail off for that bird. You stayed on this turkey for 2 days. He's beautiful, dude. Dude, he saw us bigger than crap.
I know, I was like, are you sure he's alive? We killed him, bro! How did we freaking... He must have heard us earlier and just... Because he was coming right to us, bro.
I don't know what he was doing. He was looking for a good spot to go to roost. We did it. We did it. Over here sitting there having a
we were about to get up.
bro conversation. We going deep with it. I'm glad I didn't call at him.
He was coming right to us. He crossed that crap. Look at that.
That's what he...
What are they?
That's what he was doing. He was just trying to find a way to get across. So I kept hearing him. I'm like,
oh man,
you got some good ones?
yeah.
That one's broke down there. Beautiful. That's a... God, he's got some good colors. That's one of the prettiest turkeys I've ever seen.
Public land. Turkey down, dude.
Freaking real tree boy killed him.
Oh my gosh. I should have brought my phone thing too. We did it! That was a group effort, bro. Oh my god.
He's like, I'm gonna turn my GoPro on. I was like, don't. I got it.
What are... Okay, be honest. Did you really think we were gonna come in here and kill this bird?
I thought if we were going to, we were gonna hear him. He didn't gobble one time, dude. I know he could hear us. You know what's crazy is, let's see, I vlog with this. Yeah. We had been sitting here on this little setup and been here, what, 25 minutes? And we got some pines up here on this ridge behind us, and it drops off into these hardwoods, and you can tell it's loud. Like, you can probably hear that bird like walking easily on camera. But we had 3 hens come up right behind us, and we had our face mask down, the gloves off, and they didn't even like freak out. Like, they acted like northeast turkeys.
Yeah, they didn't care at all.
And,
it was wild. And they got close too. What, 10 yards?
Yeah, 10 yards, and we just been chit-chatting and whatnot, and sure enough, I look across this ridge and I just seen caught a glimpse of something black, just sneaking through the timber.
Oh.
Like, I think I might have heard him at first, and I looked over there and I was like, it's a black turkey for sure. It's darker. I was like, it's got to be a Jake or a Tom, and I knew when he popped up he was going to be close.
Yeah.
I'm like,
he was.
I was like, he's either going to be there,
35.
there, or there. You did a good job of being ready. 'Cause you kept moving your gun back and forth, and it's so funny. This is my 24th year turkey hunting, and it's like, I'm always so nervous at like hunting with somebody else, like they're not going to know this or that, and I screw up just as much as anybody, but you knew exactly. Just keep following the footfalls, just keep following, because so many times these birds, I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but the bird popped his head up, his head turned colors, like that panic color.
Yep.
And
had to shoot him quick.
Had to shoot him fast. That's the thing, is if there's not much
Jacob's like,
footage, you're
kill
gonna have to get over it. Yeah, kill him now, or I'm gonna stand up and shoot over your
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that. That's insane. That's crazy. So I guarantee. What do you think? This is probably the same bird.
100%. I mean, not 100%. You can never say 100%, but man, he's just a really beautiful bird, dude.
Good beard. Probably 10 inches or so.
Yep.
So to be honest with you, I should have. If this is the same bird, I should have killed this bird.
Like 3 different times.
Yesterday morning for sure. I had him dead to rights. But I mean, to be honest with you, I would prefer this moment.
All right, being with somebody.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You know, I was
That's the way I feel.
We probably would have both went home.
Dude.